We're going to analyze this website using the CRAP method. So starting off with currency, when was the website last revised, modified, or updated? So if we scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, no matter what website you're on, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, usually in one of the corners, it says either a date or a year or something to tell us when the website was last revised or when it was made. So right down here, it says copyright 2018, which means that this website was last revised in 2018. They say like a good website is usually revised within the last 5 years. So this being revised in 2018, which is this year, makes a very good, trusting website because all the information is up to date. Are the links broken? If we click on any of these links, like this has a video that plays all the way through. This link takes us to another page. This link takes us to another page. And finally, the last link on this page takes us to another page. So that's another indication that this is a good, trusting website. Also, like if we click on this again, all these links are about the purpose of it, so they're not just random links thrown in there. They're relevant links to the purpose. And finally, with currency, is currency important to the type of information available on this website? So I would say currency for this website is important just because the way we've changed, or the way we brush our teeth has probably changed over the years. Like we don't brush our teeth the same way we did in the 1800s or 1900s, just because our resources have changed and we've become more educated on the topic. So I think it's important just for the fact being that when someone comes to this website, they want to make sure that they are brushing their teeth how they should be brushing it in today's world. Moving on to relevance, is the content of the website relevant with the purpose? I would say most definitely. Everything on this website talks about either the benefits of brushing your teeth properly and how to properly brush your teeth. Like this YouTube video describes how to brush your teeth. This paragraph right here talks about why brushing your teeth is important and like what the ADA recommends to us. This paragraph tells us the proper brushing technique. And if you go down and read the rest, every part of this website talks about brushing your teeth. Moving on to authority, who's the author? If we come up here to the top of the page, it says brought to you by the ADA, American Dental Association. So that's our author. Do they represent specific gender, sexual, racial, political, social, and or cultural orientations? If you read through, they aren't like favoring a certain gender or racial group or political group. It literally is just describing how to brush your teeth properly. And if you think about it, that's true. Like when you look at a man and like a male or a female, they should both be brushing their teeth the same way, same as with, you know, different sexual groups or racial groups or political groups. They're all people. They should all brush their teeth the same way. And do they have a formal role in a particular institution? So like I said before, the American Dental Association is the author. So whoever wrote this, whether it be a person and or persons, they are part of the ADA organization. Accuracy, what does the website provide? It provides very factual information. If you read through this, none of it is biased, none of it is opinionated. All the arguments talked about in here are very well supported by facts. And finally, purpose. What is the purpose of the website? The purpose is to describe how to properly brush our teeth. And who is the intended audience? I would say whoever wants to learn how to properly brush their teeth. But if we watch this video, Let me just scroll through. Every single person in this video is an adult, so it makes me believe that this website is geared towards adults. So while using the CROWD method to analyze this website, I would say it is a very trusting website because it is a very up-to-date website. It's very relevant to its purpose. It has a credible author. It's very accurate information, telling us a bunch of facts that aren't biased, they aren't opinionated, and it's a very good purpose.